Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my another new study vlog. It's 4 p.m. in the evening and I have started doing maths from the first chapter real numbers. I was watching a lecture of Ritik sir from PW, and here I was just writing the notes and the questions whatever he was giving in the explanation video, so that I can revise it in future also. And when I am editing this video, I am already done with this chapter, and Ritik sir taught this chapter really well. Like I understood it really well. Like whenever I don't understand any concept of mathematics, I just watched video of Ritik sir and my concepts are crystal clear. And like he's my favorite teacher from Udan batch, and like I really love his teaching and the way he teaches. And the good thing about his lectures are that he includes PYQs also in his lecture, like some important PYQs. And today was Gudi Padwa, so here is Gudi of our house. Then after that, around 6 p.m. I sat down and I was doing chemistry, the same chapter, chemical reaction and equations, whatever the leftover part. And I was taking notes from the lecture and the NCRT. And it's the time to start the new beginning, like from learning our mistakes. And class ninth was nightmare for me. For some of the people, like class ninth was not at all good for me. I made so many mistakes, I didn't score good marks in class ninth. And it's the time for the academic comeback, and this year I will be studying very hard. And here I was studying and suddenly this happened. And it's the next day. And yesterday, after watching the lecture of chemistry, I didn't do anything at night. I was having fun and watching mobile. And in the morning I was reading the notes and NCRT, and watching some explanations of activities, so that I can grasp the concept very well. And I have heard from many people, like from activities also some questions are coming, so I should be prepared for it also. So I was reading everything, and I was just reciting the chemical equations, reactions also, so that I didn't put anything for the last minute. And after studying this, and I will be having my lunch. And for today's lunch I was having pav bhaji, and it's my favorite street food. Like I asked my mom for making this and she made pav bhaji for me. And after that, after eating lunch, I sat down to cover my textbook. And for the first time I have brought this transparent covers for my textbook. I don't know like why I was obsessed with that, but I just thought to buy it. And like literally I don't know how to cover the books also. I am that clumsy that I don't know how to cover books also, and I failed in that. I just covered two books and I wasn't able to even cover the books also. Then after that, I came in my room, and here I was taking some prints. And like while covering the textbook, the realization hit that it was the last time I was covering my textbooks and notebooks. Then after that I sat down to revise chapter number 1 of civics, power sharing. And this chapter is quite easy. Like I have revised this so many times. Like I can like recite the chapter like whenever I am in sleep. Like if you say me that you can recite this chapter, like I'm easily able to recite it. And this is like very easy chapter. Like and today my plan was to do PYQs also, but after eating that pav bhaji and all, I was literally so tired, like I need a nap after that. But still I was trying to do, but I wasn't able to do PYQs. But I was reading the NCRT and highlighting the main points. And that's all for my today's video. I hope you like this vlog. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet you in my next video. Bye.